Sridevi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can we open the session now for interaction?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Now the session is open for interaction. You can ask, as ma'am is well versed with yoga therapy, and she's working as an assistant professor in Sri Sri traditional system in the university there. Okay, any questions now can be open so that you can get it clarified.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you please explain where all the breath will move? Normally, the breath. Normally, it will start from nose to lungs, right? How it is the Mooladhara, and you said about the Ajna Chakra also. So how it is working?
Yeah, what we are asking, breath is we are taking from the nose to lungs. How we can bring into the chakras like that you are asking, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Just we won't take breath in that particular part. Okay. What we are bringing our mind, we are bringing through our mind, we are bringing our whole energy to that particular part. We are concentrating on that particular part only. We are giving importance to that particular point only. At the time of concentrating on our Mooladhara chakra, we are bringing our energy to that particular part. Through our will we can bring, we have that capacity. Breath is going through the nose only, we are bringing our breath into the lungs only, the alveol doing the function in the mechanically, anatomically, physiologically the function is happening there only. But even though the function is happening through the bloodstream, we are getting energy, the oxygen to throughout the body, no, throughout the body, through the blood we are getting, no, right? Okay, no. So okay, now just oxygen, how we are each and every cells we are getting, our doing our breath in the lungs region only, but through the bloodstream we are getting oxygen throughout the body. Without oxygen, brain not function, no. Ajna chakra, how we can bring, because getting the energy through the bloodstream, no, through the blood flow, no. We are bringing our whole energy at the time of putting effort on that particular region, whole energy we are bringing that particular part, we can do that. But scientifically at the time of moving, it is going every part through our will, through our concentration, we are bringing, we can feel. Clear or any?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah.
Any other questions from the audience?
Good morning, Angela ji.
Yeah, good morning, Deepika. My Deepika.
How are you?
Yeah, fine, fine, fine.
So nice to see you after a very, very long time.
Yeah, at the
Okay.
time of seeing name only I saw that. How are you? How is your son?
Everybody is so nice. So nice to see you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell
Acha,
me,
I
Deepika.
have a doubt. This is regarding chakra. For a
Yeah.
restless mind, is there any particular chakra where we can focus on or work on?
Yeah, Deepika, whenever we are getting restless mind, don't go to straight away chakra. Okay, no? Whenever we are getting restless mind, if you put effort, we need to do on that particular part, again the restless mind will aggravate. Okay, no? Restless mind, when we will get, just anxiety, at the time of getting anxiety, these are the things why we are getting, through the lower emotions. We need to concentrate our lower portion. First, we need to concentrate. We can do it. We can concentrate our lower portion. Dharakasa, we have lower chakras. Navel region, Manipura chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, and Muladhara chakra. Exactly, no need to put that much effort. Simply concentrate on that particular lower portions. At the time of concentrating lower portions, just simply look at the space only inside. Just enter into the space of the lower portions. Just start to enjoy in that lower portion of the chakras, and then bring your awareness to the heart region. First, simply enter into the akash of the lower portion, the harakasa. Particularly, between the eyebrows, seeing the between the eyebrows, particularly is concentrating on the heart. If you put like that, again it will take restless. First, we need to bring our enjoyment mind. Simply put your lower portion on your, concentrate on your lower portion. In that lower portion also, no need to look at any particular part. No need to look at any particular part. Simply space.
Simply sit. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Any other questions, please? Shubha, are you asking the question? We are unable to hear you.
No, ma'am, by mistakenly, sorry.
Yeah, Sridevi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I want to ask the people, they got my point or not?
Yes, ma'am, you can interact with them, please.
Yeah, can you share your experience? You got my point or not? Any clarifications you need on the explanation?
The guided meditation was really good. We were really able to see a shift in our consciousness. We were able to go inward. So it was a very, very nice practice. We were able to get your point. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. And one more thing I want to tell you, in this short period, I want to give little more. That's what maybe my nature also speed that is different, but I can, what we can say, slow my speed, but I want to finish that whatever the portion I have taken. That's what maybe I have gone little fast also. At the time of practice, we need to take time. I moved one by one quickly, but we need to take a little more time. This is my kind request. After familiarizing all the practice one by one only, we need to move it. Yeah, thank you.
I'm Girija speaking. It's very nice, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, sir,
the point. And meditate.
Yeah, good.
Nice,
sir told to teach in Tamil also, but my drawback is I can communicate in Tamil properly, but teaching I couldn't bring into my mind. Anyone else not able to get my point in English, please you can ask. I'll explain in Tamil also. I'll try to explain.
Nalla irundhuchu, ma'am.
Okay, good. You got the point, right?
அந்த இடத்துக்கு நாங்க பிரீத் பண்ணும்போதே எங்களுக்கு அந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கிடைச்சிருச்சு மேம்.
Okay, very good, very good, very good.
அந்த பாயிண்ட்லயே நாங்க ரொம்ப நேரம் இருந்தோம்.
Very good,
வெளிய
very
வரதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு.
Yes, yes,
அந்த
you started your inner journey. Yeah.
Thank you ma'am. Good journey ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, thank you, thank you.
Any other feedback or
மேம் ஸ்டார்டிங்
any
ஸ்டேஜ் நம்ம பிரத்யாகாரால இருக்கோம். அதுல இருந்து தாரணா வரும். எந்த ஸ்டேஜ் வரைக்கும் போவோம் அது எப்படி சொல்றீங்களா?
Yeah, Pratyahara is, I want to tell this point actually. Pratyahara is the highest point. Pratyahara, reaching Pratyahara is the our main point. But even though we are not able to do Pratyahara fully because totally we are attached with that sense. Okay, no? In Kathopanishad nicely one word will come, Brahman. In தமிழ்ல நல்லா நான் சொல்லுவேன், பிரம்மன் நாசப்படுத்தி விட்டார் நம்ம வாழ்க்கை அப்படிம்பாங்க. நம்ம பிரம்மன் நம்ம வாழ்க்கையை நாசப்படுத்தி விட்டார். He spoiled our life. We are also equivalent to Brahman only. Due to senses only we are like this, no? Why he has given like the senses? Like that here one verse will come. Yama told to Nachiketa, Brahman நாசப்படுத்தி விட்டார் நம்ம வாழ்க்கையை. Why he has given senses to us like that? Yeah, without these kind of things we are not able to know the importance of the Brahman. Grace is not the Brahman. That's what we have sensual things also. But coming out of the senses, very, 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 very tough. But we are lucky, we are in this journey. We started our journey. We no need to get, oh, I'm doing this practice, I'm not able to get like that. Even though in Bhagavad Gita also Arjuna will ask, lot of people they are doing yogic practices, but most of them they are not able to reach the higher what you are explaining. You are saying through yoga practice we can come to you, we can reach the whole, but most of the people they are doing yoga but not able to reach, even they are not able to get a success in their family life also and in higher life also. What about their state? Like that he asked. No need to worry about it. It will carry forward in future. That maybe in this birth or next birth, where you are, you will continue. Because anyway, we need to reach that place. Wherever we come from, we need to reach that place. For reaching that, we need to travel our journey. For that, we need to overcome the senses. That is the biggest one. Pratyahara, my point is Pratyahara is the difficult practice for us. We need to do that, but easily we can do it really if we have faith on Brahman. Yeah, Brahman we need to faith on karma. If we have that kind of quality, easily we can come out. Some quality we need to inculcate.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
One question, ma'am.
Ma'am.
One doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
மேம் இப்போ நம்ம அது பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும்போது சம்டைம்ஸ் இது வெளியே வந்து இல்லையா, நம்ம தாட் வெளியே வருது, மெட்டீரியல் வேர்ல்ட நோக்கி வரும்போது அது அகைன் நம்ம அந்த இடத்துக்கு வரதுக்கு சில டிப்ஸ் ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க.
என்னன்னா நம்ம பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும்போது தாட் வந்துரும் இல்லையா, தாட் வரும்போது நீங்க வந்து தாட்டை வந்து கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணாதீங்க. அதான் மெயினா வந்து தாட்டை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இது மெடிடேஷன் இஸ் குருஜி ஹியர் வில் டெல் திஸ் டீகான்சென்ட்ரேஷன். நம்ம வந்து எப்ப வந்து ஓ மைண்ட் இஸ் கோயிங் லைக் தட், we need to bring into that. Don't do that, let it. At the time of putting effort continuously, automatically it will come. At the time of doing regular practice, it will come to you. Okay, that's what we have mantras. Some schools of meditation they are giving mantras. No, that mantras also immediately don't use it. Let your mind freely. Let your mind freely. At the time of putting your effort regularly, automatically it will come to you. Just no need to put too much stress on that. Always I tell to everyone, myself also, we no need that much mantra. We can use it, or we can bring our awareness to our breath. Breath also one of the nice thing. If you look at your normal breath without distraction, I can say that is the highest meditation. Because at the time of concentration, concentrating our breath without any distraction, that is also the highest level. No? We don't have any outer outlook. Okay, no, we attached with the senses, automatically our mind will go. We no need to stress. We need to bring like that. What we can do it whenever we are being ideal. That's what always I used to tell to my students. just analyze your thought whenever you are taking class or studying or doing at the time of doing your homework, at the time of being ideal, analyze your thought. Definitely at the time of being ideal, you will think about something unnecessarily. That time you analyze your thought, this thought, how it is going to promote our life, materialistic manner or spiritual manner. It is good or not. At the time of analyzing, definitely we will aware about we are wasting our time much more. That time we will feel shame. At the time of doing analysis, automatically it will come cut down. Not at the time of practice. Whenever you have time, this kind of analysis you do it. Really, it will help to you. At the time of moving outward, let it freely. After some time, gradually you bring your awareness to the breath and then keep on concentrate on that. Don't give the stress to anything. Okay.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Very good explanation. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm very much new to this meditation practice. There are so many guided meditation. Is there anything particularly I have to follow? For example, there are so many guided meditation for anxiety, stress-free. There are so many things. While I have to follow this meditation, have to follow any particular thing or different kinds of things I can hear, ma'am. Very new to meditation.
Yeah. I told at the time of explanation, I told actually, just all the practices not suitable for everyone. Okay, no, just you see lot of styles in the sense everything right only. We are not able to criticize any practices. Through their realization, they have given to us and they are giving to us as different practices. We are knowing that that's what I am saying. Analysis, discrimination, the different practices we are applying at the time of studying. Different practices we are applying. Analyze which practice making you to get pleasant. That is very important. That kind of intellectual analysis very important. That is the discrimination. We are in which practice we are getting pleasant. If I just see directly, oh, you have this kind of things, your body is like this, your talk is like this, your thought is like this. If you do this, it is good like that, I can tell. Okay, but without seeing that, I'm not able to tell you do these kind of things. At the time of handling students, that is different directly. Okay, no, any particular practice you do this like that, I'm not able to say. Try everything at the time of doing the practice. In which practice you are feeling pleasant, you catch it, that practice, you start to practice regularly.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. But knowledge point of view, we need to gather everything. As a yoga teacher, we need to gather everything. All the in the contraindication, what are the barriers to dharana I discussed? No, too much of practicing. No need too much of practices. Anything else?
Any doubts from the participants? Angela ma'am?
Yeah.
Can we close the session?
Yeah. It's okay. They don't have any queries, anything else, we can close the session. I'll give the thanks to everyone. Patiently you listen my lesson, and I need to big thanks to Sir. He has given the platform to show me that getting platform is very tough, but he has given a nice platform to me. Always I am thankful to him, and I thankful to Sri Devi to arranging this, coordinating this program. Very big thanks to you. And also one more thing also I want to tell you, I'm here for I think so almost 1 year. I didn't come to Chennai. Meeting you people in one platform, I'm feeling I'm in Chennai. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Angela ma'am, on behalf of faculty.
Thank you, ma'am. Angela ma'am, voice valamudan. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Yeah. And all of you take care. All of you are safe, no? All of you take care in Corona. Yeah, we can be. We are the spiritual personalities, no? We are safe. We won't get any fear, no?
Hello, Angela ma'am.
That also, no?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Angela ma'am, we thank you on behalf of Faculty of Yoga Sciences and Therapy, Meenakshi Academy of Higher Education and Research, Chennai, and on behalf of Ilangon sir especially, right? And we on being busy schedule also, you have come to us and extended your time in taking all the sessions, all the doubts from the participants. I thank you very much, and we look forward to the kind of sessions in future also. Thank you so very much. We'll end the session here, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Not in busy schedule. Always my platform is Chennai. My with you people only for my first preference. Okay.
Nice. Very nice to hear that.
Thank you so much. I'm getting this opportunity. I'm so happy seeing you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you,
Sridevi ma'am.
Thank you.
We all open and listen, but you have more responsibility to
All at your services
say
with the blessings of Ilangon sir.